Hey everybody, Mark Supsick here. Let's talk about these wines in this latest weekly tasting pack. This one is called Can You Taste Terroir? This is the 2016 Bernardus Pinot Noir, Rosella's Vineyard, and the grapes are sourced from a vineyard owned by Gary and Rosella Francioni. This Rosella's Vineyard Pinot Noir is more ripe in the glass. I'm getting a lot of baked strawberry in there, almost like a pie. This one has a little bit more alcohol in it at 14.4%. Rosella's Vineyard sits at a lower elevation than the Sierra Mar, which means that it's warmer. And it also faces southeast, which is the best exposure to get the most daytime sunlight. So we're looking at a warmer region as compared to the first wine. And already we're seeing that play itself out with a higher alcohol content and a riper fruit flavor in there. There's a mineral quality on the finish as well too. And I think that's coming from the sandy soils that this is grown in. This is a top-notch Pinot Noir from Bernardus Winery. All right, thanks for stopping by. I'm Mark Supsick. Take care of yourself. Cheers.